1-Take surveys. You can earn $50 to $100 per month in cash and products by taking online surveys. Find survey sites by searching for paid survey sites online. Sign up for several survey sites to increase your chances of being selected for higher paying surveys. Register with an email address, and check your email often so you can respond quickly to survey offers. Most surveys pay from $1 to $3, and the surveys generally take up to 45 minutes to complete. You might also get paid in gift cards, free products, or by being entered in a sweepstakes. Never pay to participate in surveys. Look for a privacy policy displayed prominently on the site so you know that they are not selling your personal information. 2. Test websites. Remote usability testing means getting paid to navigate a website for the first time and giving feedback to the website owner. Most tests take approximately 15 minutes, and you can get paid up to $10 for each test. A test involves performing a scenario on the client's website and recording yourself doing it. For example, you might be asked to go through the process of selecting and purchasing an item on a retailer's website. You need a computer with a microphone, an updated web browser, and a high-speed internet connection. Sites that pay you to test websites include User Testing, What Users Do, Userlytics, User Feel. 3. Tutor Students. Many families prefer the flexibility of using an online tutor. Depending on your background, you could be simply helping a child with homework or providing college-level support. You need to have your own computer and high-speed internet. Experience required differs among companies. Some require strong experience, while others require a specific educational background. However, most companies do require a college degree. Some companies assign students to you, while others post your profile on their site and let customers select you. You can make anywhere from $9 to $30 per hour based on your educational background and the subject you teach. Sites that hire elementary-level tutors include Tutor.com, HomeworkHelp.com, Aim4A, and Brainfuse. Kaplan hires SAT and ACT tutors. Check out the link description below.